It's that time of year again, when front yards, stoops, and windows transform into fall displays filled with pumpkins, giant inflatables, and spooky decor. Nothing says Halloween like a classic jack-o'-lantern. Today, I'll share a few photography tips so you can capture festive, spooky images that will last longer than your porch pumpkins. Welcome to Platypod TV. I am Riley Arthur. I prefer compostable fall decor over plastic. So in this video, I'll show you how to create fun photos of jack-o'-lanterns. Since Halloween is a kid-friendly holiday, this shoot is both child and pet-friendly. Start by carving your pumpkin. I went with the traditional design. Arrange your gourds around it. Next, set up two Platypod Extreme tripods attached to a Platypod gooseneck and a Platypod mini super clamp. This creates a stand. As a side note, I have yet to run out of uses for my mini super clamp. For the backdrop, use black foam core and attach it to the clamps to keep it in place. For lighting inside the pumpkin, you can go the traditional route by using candles, or you can use a small external light. I tried both, but had better results with my tube light, and I'll explain why in a minute. Try using direct light on the pumpkin or as backlighting for creative ways to light it aside from the obvious light inside the pumpkin. If your external light doesn't fit inside the pumpkin like mine, cut a little hole in the back and slide it in at an angle. I use the firelight setting on my Ambitful A2 tube light, which gave me a perfect warm hue and a flickering effect, which looked great on video. Now for the spooky touch. Dry ice. Handle it carefully with gloves, and if your assistant is a child or pet, make sure they keep their distance. For extra smoke, pour a little hot water on the ice to speed up the reaction. This is why I prefer a tube light rather than a candle, because hot water tends to snuff out candles, or at least it did for me. I shot the setup with both my iPhone and my mirrorless camera. On the iPhone, I used a Platypod Delta tripod, the Platypod handle, and a Platypod grip, which gave me stable video. This setup works beautifully in early morning light or at dusk. After dark, you'll need a fill light. I added a large tube light for the fill light. Adjust the angle of the light for a more natural or more spooky look, depending on your preference. I found I got better results in the daylight than I did at night. But this shoot is so easy to set up. Feel free to try both and get back to me on which you prefer. This is a simple shoot, and the results are striking. You can always take it further by adding more props and make it a more elaborate scene. Either way, you'll get fun, spooky, and memorable pumpkin photos that are perfect for Halloween. In a recent video, someone left a comment asking for more ways to photograph food, and I delivered. So if you have other requests, please drop them in the comments. If you try this shoot with Platypod gear, please tag us so that we can see your results. Like and subscribe for more photography, tips, and creative conversations. For more of my work, follow me on Instagram. Until next time, stay spooky, happy shooting, and I will catch you in the next frame.